Hello guys, what's up? How is it going? This is KingSFS Trader here. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, happy to meet you guys here again. Yeah, if you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to this channel. Share my videos if you like what I do here. Yeah, if I've helped you in this channel or you chatted me up, I helped you in any way, please share my videos. Don't forget to like this video. Please like this video. Once you click on my videos, please like, I'm begging you. So I've been creating a lot of strategies. I told you that I've stopped dropping strategies, that I'm focusing on teaching, like going deep in what trading is all about, not just strategy. I've dropped a lot of strategies on scalping, staying long, day trading, catching of spikes and all that, trading volatility. I have a lot of strategies where you use both indicators and price other price action strategies. Yeah, and but you guys keep asking me to create more strategies, drop more strategies. And today I decided to drop a strategy on jump 75. This is applicable. You can use it on jump 50 other jumps, and you can also use it on boom and crash. Most of my videos practically works in all indices, like even currency pairs. So if you trade currency pairs, my strategy, I kind of, you guys know I'm a price action trader, and I love what the market structure so much. I love what the price is doing, and I always like to follow the price. So um you don't have to bother yourself asking me whether it works on this or that. You can just test it out and you will see it works perfectly well. So now today I'm going to be dropping a strategy. I've been doing more of teaching past 2 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago. That is up to a month plus now. I've been doing more of teaching. So, and some of you have been asking for strategy. I decided to drop this strategy today on jump. We are going to be using no indicators, guys, no indicators, just a breakout strategy. A breakout strategy when we identify a support or resistance. Once our price break out below or above, we enter our sell or our buy, guys. As simple as that. We are going to be using jump. Now I'm advising you, if you are using jump, please use a kind of higher time frame, at least between, let me say, a lowest 15 minutes time frame up. Okay, yeah, it will help you. It will help you a lot. Jump, you should know the movement of jump. When you go to 1 minute time frame, you see what jump is doing there. So you actually don't need a lower time frame. You don't need 1 minute time frame when you are trading jump. If you have not kind of taken anything on this video, a takeaway here is that you don't trade. You should avoid trading jump on 1 minute time frame, especially for beginners. So if you scalp and you love scalping, some scalpers trade jump on 1 minute time frame, but it's highly risky, and it will affect your trading plan if you are not careful. So the only thing you have to do is at least go to a bit higher time frame, like 15 minutes time frame. So that's exactly what I'll be using on this video. So now we all know how to, by now, if you are on my channel, if you are not new here, you should know about support and resistance. You should know about trend lines. You should know about all those things. I've dropped a lot of videos on that. All right, I've trashed that, and I know I have done justice to that when it comes to support and resistance, trend lines, and every other stuff. So now this strategy is very simple. No indicators at all. Just price action. Just the price. Just the price. The candlesticks. Now, what you need to do is that, one, you need to see a particular level where price retest or find it difficult to break out below or above. Now, to make it simple, we are going to be using just the double top pattern or double bottom pattern here. Okay, so you already know what double top and double bottom mean, but let me still repeat myself here on this video for the sake of some people who are new here in this channel. Now, what you need to, when we talk about double top, we are talking about let's say that this is a resistance or a point. Let's say that is a point. It's not yet a resistance until the price tested the point at least twice. Now the price moved to this point, touch our line there, or that point, retrace back and tested this point again. We can consider this as a resistance. Okay, Remember what I told you on my previous video, I think the last video, that what makes your trade more accurate, okay, what makes you more money is combining different factors. You don't just, because you have seen something, maybe you have seen the price have retested the support, the resistance level, you just dive into sell, or you kind of clicking the sell button. No, you have to consider other stuff. You have to put other factors into consideration before you click that buy or sell button. All right, so that is my goal. That should be your goal. That should be part of your trading plan. You don't just trade just because you have seen one signal, or buying signal or selling signal. You must see two or three to confirm your trade. All right, so now we have the price tested a point, which is we are taking this as resistance, okay, twice. So the price tested. So what we're expecting is that the price is going to go down, right? We're expecting the price to push back, okay. Now the question is, how do we trade this strategy? How do we trade the strategy? Now, once you see the price testing a particular point, either a support or resistance this way, that is double top or double bottom. In this case, we are starting with double top. All right, you don't just enter here, okay. You don't enter at that point. You wait until the price, remember that the price, you know, started from here. Let's say that the price from this point moved to this point, okay, then pull back a bit to this point, okay, before the price now move up to this point. So we don't just enter the our trade at this point. Let me change we don't enter the trade at this point, okay. We want to be more accurate, because you can enter there and the price will break above, or you kind of pull back a bit before the movement. So we want to enter the our trade when the price have breaks above or below this point. Just pay attention. This is a point where we should be waiting for. We should wait for the price to get to this point and break below this. Once the price breaks below this point, we enter our sell, and enjoy our profit, okay. Because at times I've discovered something, that at times the price will get to this point, okay, the price will get to this point and reverse, and start ranging between the two that is the resistance and support, okay. Sometimes it won't break below or above, it starts ranging or reverse and keep going up. All right, so we need to see a breakout from that support. In this case, at this point, you need to see the price breakout below that support, then we comfortably enter our sell, okay. So let me still repeat myself here again. The price move from here to this point, then pull back a bit, go again to this point, then we draw our straight line, which is serving as a resistance, which is double top right here. The price tested the first and the second. All right, so instead of us what we have been, the strategy we have been using, you're supposed to enter a sell at this point, okay. Maybe using candlestick, a pattern or anything, you can then, for you to be more accurate, using our breakout strategy, which is what I'm showing you today. You don't just enter the trade there. You have to wait for the price to break below this, okay. Once the price was able to break below this point, okay, when the price move to this point, from here to this point, then it's a kind of confirm that the price have broken below this support, okay. Then you enter a sell right here, okay. You enter a sell right here, then you enjoy your trade. I'm going to show you how this thing works. The reversal is the case when you are buying, the same way. That is the double bottom. When you are buying, the same process, just wait for a breakout before you enter a trade. So I think you will best enjoy it when I'm showing you on chart, okay. So now on my chart, remember, if you are yet to join my Telegram group, I think I dropped a question. There is something I wanted to information I wanted to pass across to you guys, but I think I will kind of leave it for the next video I'll be creating soon. Because I wanted to create a video on how you should kind of start planning your 2022. We on Christmas, a kind of Christmas period, celebration period. Some of us have traveled for holidays. Some of us are free now from work and other stuffs. We enjoying ourselves. We on vacation, any other stuff like that. We shouldn't be carried away. Yeah, you have to celebrate. Okay. Here Christmas first also enjoy. We celebrate also Christmas here, but and I kind of we combine the celebration with planning. We 2022 is at the corner, and most of us traders have not started planning our trade 2022. So I'm planning to create a video on how to plan your trade 2022. They said if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, right? So you have to start planning your 2022 trade from now. All right, to have I think we have all the time now to plan. All right, so I'll be creating a video anyway on that. So I'll be helping you plan your trade. If you like that, please please smash that like button if you like the information. Now here is exactly what I want to show you. Now we have this trade here. Okay, let me start from here. We have this price at this point. Okay, sorry, the price here and here. Okay, the price tested this point, this area twice. So as you can see, the price pushed down to this point, it kind of then pull back a bit, then before the price continue moving down. So we don't enter our trade any point from we don't enter our trade any that is from here above. Okay, we have to wait for the price to break below this support right here. Okay, you need to see the price break below that support, because you can see the price, this is a support level right there. Okay, so we need to see the price break below the support level. So this, after this momentum candlestick, there must be a signal for you to enter this trade. All right, so I will still show you a lot of examples. You will discover that there must be a signal. You can see that momentum candlestick right there. That is that red candlestick right there. Once you see that, that is a signal. Once this candlestick closes, you enter a sell. All right, so at this point, at the close of this candlestick, after that candlestick, that is where we should have entered our sell, and we enjoy this down here. Okay, so we enter our sell at this point, guys. Okay, that's the place we're supposed to enter our sell. After that red candlestick closes, then we enter our sell. Okay, that's how simple it is. You must wait for a breakout. You must wait for the price to break below or above this. When you have seen, first of all, you need to see a double top for a sell. Then you see the price move from here to, sorry, price move from here to this point, pull back a bit to our support right there, push back and make that double top. Then you allow the price to move to this point, allow the price to break below this support level. Once the price break kind of successfully broken below that level, then you enter your sell at this point. Okay, you enter your sell at this point, you enjoy trading. Okay, one might be asking me, where do we set stop loss, our stop loss, where do we take profit? All these things depends on your equity, but for you to set your stop loss perfect, as in the best place to set your stop loss should be above this level. All right, if you have the equity to hold this price, that's why I said you need to trade this on a higher time frame. So you need to set it above this level. Okay, above this level, you can see where my stop loss should be. Okay, now the take profit should be at least twice your stop loss, at least twice your stop loss. Okay, at least twice your stop loss. You can see our stop loss level. Okay, you have it here to here, guys. Okay, That's our stop loss level. Then this is our take profit level. Okay, our take profit level there. So now your take profit should be at least twice your stop loss, and your stop loss should be above this swing point. Okay, should be above that swing point over there. Okay, above. All right, so now let's take a look at this one here. Okay, let me bring down this line. Yeah, so we have our double bottom right here. Okay, this is just a kind of opposite of the sell, the example I just gave. This is exactly the opposite. Here we have the price retested this point twice. The price moved down from this point, test this point, push back a bit, a kind of pullback, retest that point the second time. Then we should have entered our buy right here, but we want to confirm, we want to wait to make sure that the price will break above this level here. Okay, we want to see the price break above that level. So let me push down this down here. So we are waiting for the price to break there. So once the price breaks, you can see where we could have entered our trade. The price breaks above this, then we enter a buy right here. Okay, and after buying, that's why I said, good, I think you can see this. That's why I said if you are setting your stop loss, it should be below the swing point. So your stop loss should be here. Okay, somewhere here below the swing point. That is at this point below. Okay, that's a place where you set your stop loss. So assuming you entered your buy at this point, okay, you can see that the price pushed up a bit and starts, there was a pullback. So if you have set your, let's assume you have, drop your stop loss somewhere here. Let me say here. You'll be kicked out of the market without any movement at all. So you must give your trade a room to breathe. Okay, you must give it a, if you set your stop loss too tight, any little pullback can take you out of the market. All right, so the stop loss should be set below the swing point. Then your take profit should be at least twice your stop loss. Okay, that is the proper risk management, guys. That is the proper risk management. That's how to enter this trade. That's how to enter this trade. It keeps happening. Once you see a double top, you wait for a breakout. Maybe that is the pullback breakout. All right, once you see that breakout, you enter a sell or a buy, depending where the price breakout from. Then remember something, there's something I want to tell you. Most of your trade is a kind of beta trade anyway. Don't always expect all the trade. Okay, don't always expect all the trade to be successful. There is no way you trade 10 times and you make profit 10 times. It's not possible. Some of them are going to go wrong. In fact, most of them are going to go wrong. The most important thing is that's why it is very important to take your risk management or risk reward ratio very serious. Because only one trade, assuming you follow my instruction that once you enter a trade, for instance, if you enter a buy, your stop loss should be, that is, your take profit should be twice your stop loss. That means if you enter 3 trades and you take profits once and you lose 3 times, you discover that you are not losing much. Okay, if you take profit once and you lose twice, or you have a kind of bad trade twice, you have lost nothing. You traded 3 times, hit your stop loss twice, hit your take profit once, you have lost nothing, because your stop loss, that is, your take profit is twice your stop loss. That means if your stop loss is at $5 and you hit your stop loss, or your stop loss is triggered twice, that's, you are losing $10. And if you take profit once, that means you are taking profit at $10. That means you have not, you are still, your equity is still intact. The first thing first, you need to protect your equity for you to be a successful trader. That is why you must apply a proper risk management, working risk management. Okay, you don't just trade because you have seen a strategy online, you just jump in and start trading. No, you must understand this, apply your risk management, then understand that you must not win all the time. This will help you a lot. Okay, this will help you a lot. Okay, so This thing practically works on both sorry, it works on both jump, boom and crash. Also, you can test it out on boom and crash. Okay, there are a lot of examples here. Okay, I don't want to start going through all these things. You can just back test them and see. Once you see a perfect double bottom like here, okay, let me still show you this one right here. Okay, you can see the price tested this point, tested this point. You allow the price to break above this resistance here, then you enter your trade. Sorry, I have a fast battery. So you enter your trade at this point and enjoy the movement up. This is 15 minutes time frame, so this is a lot of pips here. So guys, this is it. This is how simple trading this strategy is. If you enjoyed this video, please and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any question on this video or any other video I've created, or if you want anything, if you want me to create a video on anything at all, if you are waiting for me, also if you are optimistic to see my video on how to plan your 2022 trade, also leave a comment below. I'll be dropping that video very soon, guys. Yeah, I'll be dropping the video very soon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.